We're just going to have a very quick look at the web browser control and repeat signage. So I'm going to get to my menu, Insert, and Insert Web Browser. And all I'm going to do is display a web page on a website, browse, defaults to repeat software, so I'm just going to click on OK and OK again. And what that does is it drops the web browsing control on my screen, and I can just resize that as I want. And that web page is displayed. It's cutting it off a little bit because that particular website is designed for a minimum width of about 1024 pixels, and I'm recording these videos in a very low resolution for the internet. Now, once our web browser control's on screen, we can double click on it, and there are various options. For example, you could actually create a playlist where you're displaying different web pages at different times. So we could just have a quick look at that. I could click on Enable Playlist, and my first web page is displayed there, and I could just say add a second one, and I could put in www.repeatserver.com, which is our remote updating website, and then click on OK. So both of those are going to happen for 5 seconds each. And we'll just wait for that to change. So that does a playlist between two websites. I'll just show you another option as well. So if we double click on there, cancel the playlist bit, so we're just dealing with the repeat software website. Now you can do a refresh. Now this is quite useful, especially when you're dealing with website pages that may involve custom applications. And what you can do is you can actually specify a refresh. So I click on Refresh tab, and I can do a periodic refresh, forced refresh of plain content. And I can say do that just do this every 10 seconds for a demonstration. And click on OK. Okay, so we're back to our repeat signage page. Now, every 10 seconds I've set that up so it will automatically do a refresh for us. And you get a slight gap while it's doing the refresh. But that's how you can actually get a website page to refresh itself periodically. If you're displaying, say, like an internal web page, which may have like facts and figures on, which might update itself from a database, say every few minutes, then you can actually use this refresh option to refresh the content to see the latest version as it's going on. It's looking a bit flash at the moment because we're doing it every 5 seconds. Anyway, that's a quick overview of the web browser control in repeat signage.